Experience gaming like never before with the Viture Luma Pro glasses, offering a stunning visual upgrade, especially for Nintendo Switch 2 users. These innovative display glasses deliver incredibly bright and vibrant colors, transforming your favorite games into immersive experiences. Imagine playing the latest titles with an OLED-like quality, even on the go. While a separate mobile dock is needed for the Switch 2, the resulting visuals are well worth it. Beyond gaming, the Luma Pro enhances movie watching and even offers some myopia correction. Connect them to your phone, laptop, or other USB-C devices for a personalized big screen experience wherever you are. Check the video description for links to buy the Viture Luma Pro and elevate your entertainment in 2025. These glasses offer a glimpse into the future of mobile displays, making them a must-have for tech enthusiasts and gamers. While there are some minor drawbacks, the Luma Pro's exceptional display quality makes it a top contender in the wearable display market. Don't wait. Upgrade your viewing experience today.